Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video, I will show you to add a reading progress bar in your WordPress website. So here this one is the text and I want to add a reading progress bar so that it can be visible on the top of website, bottom of website, and you can also do that from the side. So now let's go to plugins, and here I want to install a plugin. You can search for reading progress, and here you can find out multiple plugins. So the first one I will recommend you, and after that you can go here on installed plugins, then you can activate the plugin. After that, scroll down, click on settings, and here you can select the position, top, bottom, and anywhere. So these are the two positions that you can select, top and bottom. And after that, here you can customize the color of progress bar, and here you can select the thickness. For example, let me change the value to 20, and then here you can select where this show. So I have selected all of the pages. Now let me go back on this page and reload it. If I scroll down, here you can see on the top in the red color, this is working fine.